Two popular ergonomic mesh chairs you might be considering are the Cosy T03 and the Elements Vertta Special. But which one should you actually pick? Let's break it down quickly. The Cosy T03 is a fully ergonomic office chair with full mesh back and seat, adjustable lumbar support, 3D armrests, adjustable backrest angle with lock points, sliding seat, and a metal base, all aimed at giving you classic ergonomic comfort for long desk sessions. It supports up to around 125 kilograms and is designed and made in Taiwan with a 2-year warranty. Some of its pros: extensive adjustments, 3D armrests, lumbar tilt locks, and a sliding seat. Breathable mesh with solid overall support. However, some users online say the lumbar support can feel too firm or uncomfortable depending on the body shape. The Elements Verta Special also uses breathable mesh and offers a synchron mechanism, so recline locks at angles you choose, adjustable 3D armrests, adjustable headrest, and sliding seat depth, giving you lots of tweaks to dial in your posture for long work or study days. Some of its pros: plenty of adjustments including headrest and reclining backrest, mesh comfort praised for heat dissipation and adaptive fit. However, reviews note that material finish isn't premium and durability can vary between units. The final verdict: choose the Cosy T03 if you want robust ergonomic adjustability with compressive tilt, lumbar, and armrest control, strong support if you work long hours and want traditional ergonomic features. Choose the Verda Special if you want wide adjustability with headrest and reclining comfort, particularly if you prefer extra flexibility plus breathable mesh and plan to spend long days sitting. The bottom line: the Cosy T03 for classic, deeply adjustable ergonomic chair, and the Verda Special for comfortable, customizable daily work chair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.